So salt, you know, is very important for human being. And earlier, the common salt was not produced in this village, so it was brought from outside. Got it, no? So here I have stopped because I want to show you um, mangroves. Got it, no? So Sonarita avesi is the species of the mangroves. Got it, no? So locally it is called chipa, and you all will surprise how these mangroves uh, tree is here. It is clear indication that sea is very near. Got it, no? So salt water intrusion is there, and to stop the salt water intrusion, there was a technology called Ghano Banap. So there is one Sayoban and there is one Khareban. Got it, no? So to stop the uh, salty water entering into the fresh water, there was a technique called Ghano Banap. So the community was coming together and stopping the flow of the salt water intrusion into the fresh water. Got it, no? So this is the water coming from, you know, this way we are going to Vawat Vavanti River. So Vavanti River rises in the Western Ghats at a place called Ambe Khol. Got it, no? And if you just go to the Ghadiwada, you will find another river which is known as the Kudne River that rises in the Western Ghat in the place called Bhuipal. Got it, no? So what he was telling you, Sitaram Kamath, is correct that this is a village just like a island. So one side there is a Kudne river and another side there is a Vavanti river. So Vavanti rises in the Ambekhol of Chorla Ghat, whereas that river rises at a Manar, got it, no, in Bhuipal. So beside it you can see creeks are there. Creeks mean these creeks provide the salt water. So here is a place where you can see the mangrove forest is there. And already there is one beautiful folk song. एका समुद्राचे तीरी बाग कानळीचे झाड कानळाखू तिथे गेली सवाशिण नाळ. So the kanala, ola, this is, you know, chipa, and here you can see the chipa. You can pluck it, got it, no? Cut into pieces. Take the common salt, sodium chloride, and eat it. You will get the vitamin C. You can make the pickle, got it, no? So you can make the squash. So many things you can make. Now people stop using this chipa. So once upon a time, chipa was used for obtaining the vitamin C. So now we will proceed and see the river Valvanti. Chalo.